The Japanese, fortunately, were not like the Germans. They didn't incarcerate us. They just didn't like most of the whites, except for the Germans. But they didn't really distinguish German Jews from Germans, by and large. But I was in an internment camp because I was with the Reams for 1 month. And so Camp John Hay, I faced the possibility. I was on the floor. We slept on the floor. We had 2 meals. I faced the possibility that I would be treated like enemy aliens. And I was for a month. And there were very strict rules the Japanese applied, and life was not pleasant. But my mother in Manila worked to get me out of that camp.
Was this a camp for children?
It was a camp for enemy aliens. Because I was with the American family, the Reams, I was incarcerated with them and on Christmas Day. And we were told by the Japanese car that came up to the Reams house, take whatever belongings you expect to live with. But that's all, on your back. You may take nothing else. And so whatever toys I had, no. I just had whatever I could wear on my back. And 2 meals a day. And the meals got worse by the day.
What kind of things were they feeding you?
At first, they fed us peppers, green peppers with hamburger. But that was the first day. I remember it. But after that, it was dried fish and a little rice. And a lot of people got thinner. In fact, one of the reasons I am fairly thin is that I never gained too much weight.